Namo Namaha. My name is Shubha and you are watching Tattvam YouTube channel. In this video, we shall see how many alphabets are there in Sanskrit in total. Before going into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed to Tattvam channel, then please do subscribe and click the bell icon. As I had mentioned in the previous video, the third sloka of Panineeya Shiksha goes like this. Trishashtish-chatushashtirva varna shambhumate mataha prakrite samskrite chapi swayam prokta swayam bhuva. So here Panini is telling that there are 63 or 64 alphabets in Sanskrit according to Shambhu. Shambhu was a grammarian who was even before Panini. And Prakritam here refers to the Vedas and Samskritam refers to the Laukika Samskritam. So including Vaidika Samskritam and Laukika Samskritam, there are totally 63 or 64 alphabets. Let us see how we arrive at this number. How we arrive at this number 63 or 64, that is also described in the Panineeya Shiksha. The fourth shloka of Panineeya Shiksha is like this. Swaraha vimshatirekascha sparshanam panchavimshatihi yadayascha smrita hyaštau chatvarascha yama smritaha. So swaraha are the vowels. They are 21 in number. Sparshaha are consonants from ka to ma, that is kakha gaganga, chacha jajanya, tatha dadhana, tatha dadhana and papa babhama. So they are 25 in number. And Yadayah refers to Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. They are 8 in number. And in the previous video I told you what are Yama Varnas. So there are 4 Yama Varnas. If we add them all, we get a total of 58 alphabets. It doesn't end there. There are some more sounds. The fifth shloka of Panineeya Shiksha says, Anuswaro visargascha kafpau chapi parashritau dusprishtascheti vigneyo likaraf pluta evacha. So there is Anuswara, the sound, Visargaha, the sound, and Jihvamuliyaha and Upadhmaniyaha. I had made a separate video on this. So if you don't know about this, then please do watch those videos. Dusprishtaha refers to the la sound, which is only in the Vaidika Samskritam and that too in Rigveda. And then Likaraha Pluta Eva, it says. That is, the Likara does not have a Dirgha at all, but we can consider that it has a Pluta. So if we take that into account, totally now we have 6 more sounds. So here is what we have got from the 4th and 5th shlokas of Panineeya Shiksha. 21 swaras, 25 sparshas, Yatuha is 8, Yamavarnas 4, Anuswaraha, Visargaha, Jihvamuliyaha, Upadhmaniyaha, then La and Pluta Likara. Totally there are 64 Varnaha, that is alphabets. Then why did Maharshi Paninini say 63 or 64 Varnas and not just 64 Varnas? Because some say that there is a Pluta Swara for the vowel L. If we consider a Pluta Swara for L, then there are 64 Varnas. Some say there is no Pluta Likara. So if we consider that opinion, then there are 63 Varnas. And you might be having this doubt also, how come there are 21 vowels? If you just count A, I, U, R, R, L, A, I, O, you get around 13 vowels. But in the very beginning in one of the videos, I had made a separate video on the Pluta Swaras. So if we consider the Pluta Swaras also, then we get 21 vowels. Before leaving, please do like this video, subscribe to Tattvam YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And also please do share this video with interested people.